day, and I got Asa a new what is it, Garanimals box. This is her second one. The first one was so cute, I just went ahead and ordered another one. This is her third clothing package that has arrived, and I'm still waiting on my one Shein order. Like, come on, Shein. So this is the combination she got this time. So yeah, I'm not about to go through and unbox all of that, but I'm off today, so I'm gonna be putting all these clothes away in her room and putting away all the clothes that I bought over here, and I'm gonna try to reorganize my closet, which is a mess. Still full of clothes that I can't even fit anymore. Back from college days, possibly even some high school pieces. So yeah, I gotta get rid of all that stuff and make room for new stuff. And here is my extremely messy closet. Or just all Easter stuff. But yeah, so I have to reorganize all this stuff, go through what I still can fit, can't fit, move these two big giant bins, probably put these shirts down here up on the top, just reorganize everything. Shoes, get this stuff up off the floor so I can walk in and out. Whew, this gonna take me a good little minute. Okay, I'm all done. I think I started around 11:30. It's like 1:50, so just short of 2 o'clock. And here we go. Bins are off the floor from right there. And I've sorted my dresses, my short summery spring dresses, down to the long summery dresses, cardigans, coats, jackets, and then all my tops are up here, color coordinated from light to dark. Move the bin over there. Shoes all stacked up. Floor is clear. I can walk in and out. Much better, much better, much better.